how does it feel कि आप you're like this, you know, जमीन पे खड़े हो अभी ऐसे, and within few minutes ऐसे स्टैंड खड़े और एकदम से आप जीरो ग्रेविटी में हो, तो बॉडी पूरी चेंज नहीं हो जाती? लाइक डज इट फील डिफरेंट?
Oh yes, it feels a lot different, and even the जो ट्रांजिट भी है वो भी बहुत कमाल का है, because you know, the force that you experience, the sheer energy that is required to take you. So 8.5 minutes में we were in orbit, you know, from the time of launch. And so in 8.5 minutes, it is, you know, when I say we are in orbit, it's just a statement. But when I tell you that in 8.5 minutes, we went from 0 kilometers of altitude to 200 kilometers. We also went from 0 kilometers per hour to 28,500 kilometers per hour. That is the kind of speed that you navigate, right? It is a lot. वो बाहर से, when I've also seen rocket launch, it doesn't look like it is fast, but it is phenomenally fast.
So what happens is acceleration 28,000 kilometer per hour is like शायद 20 बार बॉम्बे दिल्ली या maybe more. Right? 8 मिनट में आपने बॉम्बे दिल्ली 20 बार कर लिया, like this, something like that. It's
yeah, if you give an analogy,
it's that intense.
Yes, it is intense.
28,500 kilometers per hour. अगर आपकी बॉडी उस स्पीड में जा रही है तो क्या होता है? ब्रेन आप देख पाते हो? लाइक इज योर आईज, सो लाइक आर योर आईज ओपन? डज योर ब्रेन लैक? क्या होता है?
सो एक्सेलरेशन इज वेयर द फोर्स इज फेल्ट, जहाँ पे आपको आपकी बॉडी फील करती है वो फोर्सेस. सो you start building up 1G, 2G, 3G, you know, 4G, and you go up to 5G के आसपास का maximum figure is what you are supposed to experience. But 5G means that you are lying on your back in the capsule, so it is being felt on your chest. So it is as if, you know, somebody is pushing you back in your seat. Your chest is compressed, your lungs are compressed, so you cannot actively breathe through your lungs. You have to breathe through your stomach, जिसकी मतलब ट्रेनिंग होती है जो हम लोग प्रैक्टिस भी करते हैं ग्राउंड पे. Your head gets pushed back. Your, you know, eyes feel as if they are going inside. ये सारे forces जो positive acceleration की वजह से आपको feel होते हैं. उस टाइम पे if you have to press a button, you have to raise your hand against the G. So your hand, which normally you can raise conveniently, but under 5G it becomes 5 times heavier. So it takes that much of effort to just, you know, raise your hand and take it to a particular button and operate it. So all these are things that are, you know, practice, that are trained, you are taught, but you live through that and then you eventually, you know, land up in space. And also this is not the worst possible case. The worst possible case would be if something goes wrong during launch and you have to abort. And during abort, in the worst case scenario, I'm talking about 5G. You know, your body may be experienced to 18 Gs. You know, so that is what is going to be, you know, something significant. It is at 18 Gs. If I may give an analogy, which I've tried to put in the book as well, that it feels like a baby. It would be akin to a baby elephant sitting on your chest. That is the kind of force you would feel. So it is not for a long time, it is for a short duration only, but you will be exposed to that.
And उस force में आपको mind clear रख के operate करना होता है.
You should be, you know, ideally that is how your condition should be, you know, if that happens. But since it is for a very short duration, you know, even if it passes, then you come back and then you do things. But yes, your ability to function under such conditions should be retained. That is what the aim is of the training as well.
And something happens to you here,
we have a fluid, you know, और orientation triad जो है उसकी वजह से inner ear में there is a fluid that governs our sense of balance and orientation and everything, and it is susceptible to these inertia, momentum जो भी है. So ये शुरुआत तो लॉन्च के टाइम पे होती है, because there are 2 stages. जैसे फर्स्ट स्टेज कट ऑफ होती है तो फॉर अ ब्रीफ पीरियड आप अगर लेट्स से 2.5 G पे हैं and suddenly that cut off happens, so you come back from 2.5 G to, you know, just 1 G, or maybe, you know, the minimal G that you are experiencing, lesser than 1 G also, because you are kind of falling in that state. There is no force on you. So the fluid, it goes sloshing in your ear. So the feeling that I remember I got when this happened was that as if I'm tumbling. You know, I'm somersaulting and I'm going forward. Balki I'm strapped in my seat. I'm sitting there. But this is a very strong feeling that you get, that you are, you know, kind of tumbling forward and going. Same thing happens when you reach space. Because वहाँ पे पहुँचने के बाद में it's a slightly different mechanism that happens. But you know, if I may put it, कि there are hair-like follicles in एक otolith organ होता है इसी triad में हमारे, जो कि vertical रहते हैं because of gravity. Now, because gravity is not experienced, they become horizontal. So your datum changes. So you feel the conflict of orientation ka thodi der ke liye, you always feel that, and because of that conflict there are symptoms like nausea, headache. All of that is experienced when you arrive in space.
So you get disoriented.
There is no sense of direction in space per se. There is no up or down, there is no left right. You cannot, unless and until there is some visual cue. If everything is same all around you and I tell you to close your eyes and rotate you and you open your eyes, there is no way you can tell that what is up, what is down. There is no possible way to tell it. It's just not.
So when all of this happens, there's no way, no direction, समझ नहीं आ रहा है, तो space sickness नहीं होती?
This is what happens in the initial few days. There is a lot of space sickness.
आपको हुई थी?
Yes, everybody gets it. To what degree? It may be different from
क्या हुआ था
body to body. The first thing, see, our bodies, we have always evolved in this environment of gravity. We have never seen in this without gravity anything. So first few things that happen to you is, one, I've talked about the orientation, the fluid in the ear, but the blood from your legs, it goes up to your head. Your head actually swells up. It becomes bigger.
It's like physically you can see.
If you look at my images when I was speaking to the Honorable Prime Minister from space, that was I think second or third day, you would see my face is actually swollen, puffy. It feels
तो चेहरा फूल जाता है, सूज जाता है, because full blood is here.
Yes, the fluid shift happens, and your heart doesn't have to pump blood against gravity to your head. यहाँ तो it is working against gravity to send blood to your head. वहाँ पे it doesn't have to. So it actually shrinks. It reduces in size by 10 to 15%, depending on how long you have been there, but it reduces in size when you are in space. तो सर बड़ा हो जाता है और दिल छोटा हो जाता है. The worst possible combination that you can think of. But this is what happens physiologically when you arrive in space.
And then do you feel vomiting? Yeah.
Yes. So again, because of the sensory conflict, your eyes are seeing something, your ears are feeling something, your proprioceptors are feeling something else. There is a sensory conflict. So you have headache, you have kind of nausea. Degree may be different. Every body is different. So how much you feel, it may be different. But there is a sense you become slow. There is a sense of confusion which is always there in the initial few days, that you become slow at things. At least that is what my personal experience was. That
you became slow?
I became slow. Even the things that I knew how to do, I was deliberately taking my time to do those things in the first few days.
And as simple as, let's say, just picking up a cup.
Yeah, everything. So if I'm realizing it consciously, that means that I'm not
obviously.
Yes, so that is what my experience was.
Did you puke?
No, I didn't puke. Didn't reach that stage.
But there was full time, there was a sensation.
So going up for me was slightly more as opposed to coming down. Both ways it happens. When you come back on Earth also the same thing happens. But going up was slightly, probably a bit more, but not a lot, One thing I do remember, there was an urge for me to puke. But यहाँ पे क्या होता है on Earth that, it builds up gradually. That urge to puke. Let's say if you are getting motion sick or for some reason, so you will feel something, and then headache होगा, फिर then nausea होगा. Gradually it will build up to a place wherein then आपको लगेगा कि you want to puke. I do remember it was sudden. All of a sudden I felt like puking. I took out my puke bag, but then that urge just went. Immediately it went. So this was the difference that I felt from Earth. That it is not a gradual build up. It happens suddenly, quickly. But I didn't end up puking.